we need to find a word that begins with the letter A. Bethany, what word begins with A?
Elevator.
B.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. C.
Circle.
Circle.
Cookie.
Aha! D.
Dinosaur. Elephant. Frog.
Frog. G.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Good one. How about the letter H?
Horse.
I.
Iguana.
Iguana. J.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. K.
Kangaroo.
Oh my goodness. Kangaroo.
Korea.
Korea. Good one. L.
사자. Lion.
M.
Monkey.
Monkey. Show me the monkey again.
North.
North. N.
I don't know what is starting with N.
What's that?
Nose. Orange.
Orange. Good.
Octopus.
Oh, good. P.
Pig.
Pig. Can you say what a pig says?
Wank, wank.
Oh, good.
Queen.
A queen.
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. S.
Snake.
Oh, good one. Snake. T.
TV.
A TV. Oh, U.
Unicorn.
Unicorn. Umbrella. Okay.
Violin. W. Whale.
A whale. A good one. Another one. X.
X. Saxophone.
Oh, that's a good word for an X.
Ding, ding, ding.
Saxophone. Good. And what about Y?
Y. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Do you
Perfect. One more letter. What is it?
Z.
Z.
Zebra.
Z for zebra. William is a champion. High five, William. Bing. William knows all the alphabet. Better than Bob. Hey, William, I think I can write the song now. Isn't that great? High five again. Say bye-bye. These will make an excellent new song. Doobie-doo-bop. Here you go.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡